Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted records in Monday.com. If you've accidentally deleted an important item or board, don't panic. Monday.com has a built-in trash feature that makes recovery simple and straightforward. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, let's access the trash where all your deleted items are stored. To do this, click on your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. From this menu, look for and select Trash. This is where Monday.com temporarily stores all deleted items, giving you a safety net before anything is permanently removed from your workspace. Once you click on Trash, you'll be taken to a dedicated page that displays all the items you've deleted. This could include boards, items, updates, or any other records you've removed from your workspace. The trash acts as a holding area, ensuring that nothing is lost forever right away. Take a moment to let this page load fully, especially if you have a lot of deleted items, as it may take a second to populate everything. Now it's time to restore the record you need. Browse through the list of deleted items until you locate the specific record you want to recover. The items are usually displayed with their names and the date they were deleted, making it easier to identify what you're looking for. Once you've found the item, select the checkbox next to it. This checkbox allows you to choose one or multiple items for restoration, giving you flexibility in what you want to bring back. After selecting the item, look at the bottom of the screen where a menu pane will appear. This pane contains action buttons specifically for managing your deleted items. Click on Restore in this bottom menu pane. This action will immediately move the selected item back to its original location in your workspace. If the original board or folder no longer exists, Monday.com will typically restore it to a default location where you can easily access it. And that's it. Your deleted record has been successfully recovered and is now back in your Monday.com workspace where you can continue working with it. The trash feature is a lifesaver when accidents happen, so remember to check there first before assuming anything is permanently lost. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.